Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really clever solution for anyone dealing with tight spaces or awkward cable runs in their audio setup. The Cable Matters 2-pack adjustable male to female right-angle XLR adapters. This isn't just another right-angle adapter. It's designed with incredible flexibility that truly sets it apart. Imagine trying to plug an XLR cable into the back of a crowded mixing board, or perhaps a piece of rack-mounted gear where space is at an absolute premium. Often, a standard straight connector just won't fit, or it puts undue strain on the cable and port. That's where these adapters shine. They allow users to create a perfect 90-degree angle, but here's the genius part. That angle isn't fixed. Each adapter can be adjusted to virtually any orientation needed. This means whether a port is facing up, down, left, or right, the adapter can be configured to route the cable exactly where it needs to go without obstruction. The mechanism for adjustment is surprisingly simple and robust. A small, built-in screw allows users to loosen the adapter, rotate it to the desired angle, and then tighten it back down securely. This can be done quickly and easily, even on the go, making it an ideal tool for touring musicians, sound engineers, or anyone who frequently reconfigures their setup. The convenience of being able to adapt on the fly is a huge advantage, preventing those frustrating moments where a cable just won't cooperate. Durability is also a key highlight. These adapters feature a high-performance 3-pin XLR design, encased in a rugged metal housing. This construction ensures they can withstand the rigors of regular use, whether in a studio, on stage, or in a mobile recording rig. Despite their adjustable nature, they maintain perfect audio quality, functioning as a simple pass-through for the signal. Users can connect microphones or amplifiers with confidence, knowing their sound integrity won't be compromised. Coming in a cost-effective 2-pack, these adapters offer excellent value. Having two means users can address multiple problematic ports simultaneously, or keep one as a spare for future needs. It's a small investment that can make a significant difference in cable management and equipment longevity. The compact dimensions, measuring just 2.06 x 1.65 x 0.74 inches, also mean they won't add unnecessary bulk to an already tight setup. For anyone looking to optimize their audio or lighting systems, signal integrity, and cable routing, these Cable Matters adjustable XLR adapters are an incredibly practical and well-engineered solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.